Here we go. Like I said, about $200 worth in the small package. Lights are light. Lights are light. That's kind of funny. All right, here we go. See what exciting things I've got. All right, I'm gonna put this on the floor and we'll just slowly bring things out. Get a packing material. First thing I saw. Let me do this. This isn't a light. This is an actual. It's just a mug for my partner. If anybody knows anything about Twitch, this is a Twitch mug, which I thought my partner would enjoy. Okay, so anyway. Next up, a nightlight. Isn't this a cute looking nightlight? All kinds of different colors. I think this could be fun. I would admit it's actually meant for like a small child's room. It's so cute. Look how cute that is. Look how cute that is. So that will be sitting on one of the shelves. I can make it, like I said, it's an RGB. You can do any type of colors that I want. That could be a lot of fun. All right, put him in there. Next up, some flow light bar. So these things, you can see little light bars. You put on each side, might add some little ambiance. So let's take those out and just get a quick look. They're pretty small, don't need anything really big. Just figure some nice little accent lighting on the corners maybe. Could be kind of fun. Okay, so nothing real exciting. Well, I think they're exciting. I can't wait. And then I happened to see this. An 18-inch 48 LED Bonsai Light. This should be really cool. Let's see what we got. So yeah, I'm kind of excited to get the studio kind of changed around a little bit. Every once in a while, you know, you just get a little bored as a creative and you got to do something. Kind of keep those juices flowing and make you feel good about life again. So, big old tree. It's really kind of cool. It's going to take a little work to set this one up though, but hey. Whoopsies. Check that out. I'll go out. Wow, that'd be fun. This could be a lot of fun too. So we'll end up seeing how all this stuff works out. Just some different type of lighting. They're all RGB, so I can change the colors on them. And then I've got some other lighting. Let me show you this real fast. I got some other lighting. When you do studio lighting, you got some different types of lights that you want to put up. And then you got some other lighting that can kind of help add some ambience, like, you know. So one of those was this I got. It's a Wii light. It's pretty bright. Once you see this, see it's relatively bright, which isn't bad. But what you can do with this, which is really cool, I can control this with my phone. So I can change different colors. Oh, don't look at that one. That one's kind of flashy. We got some different colors going on. See, there's purple for you guys. Got some blue. So, but the problem with it is, let me change this real fast so it's not too annoying. Turn that one off. I've got one that's brighter than that one because I thought, you know, I need more light. I need more light, more power. I never do that. This is what this one looks blue, and I can do this one as well. I can change this one. There's the white, which, as you can see, it's pretty bright. I can go to a nice blue if I want. I can change the power on it. So I'm pretty excited. Got some new lighting to mess around with. I think this could be a lot of fun. So next up, we are going to start turning the green screen down and moving on from there. And you guys can join me, like I said, and we'll see how things look out when I get done. All right. Let's start taking things apart, shall we?